Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the ZD Toys 1/10 scale Venom na action figure. Alright, first mag-spray tayo ng number 4 flat black. Recommended to use around 2 to 3 multiple thin coats. And then gumamit na din pala ako ng signal red na spray paint, kaya ganito na yung finish ng action figure natin. And then we are going to use orange water-based acrylics from Hero Paints. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for always sponsoring our custom repaint na mga tutorials. Thank you very much. If you want to know more about Hero Paints, pumunta lang kayo sa Lazada or Shopee. Just input Hero Paints, H-I-R-O Paints. Meron silang mga water-based acrylics, also mga brush cleaners. Meron din silang collection ng primers and metallics. Okay, ito na yung status ng ating action figure. Ang next naman na gagawin natin, mag-apply tayo ng lighter shade. Okay, so mix yan ng yellow, white, and orange. Okay, so ang ginagawa natin dito, darkest colors first, mid-tone, highlights 1 and highlights 2. So dahan-dahan lang tayo mag-apply ng additional layers using our process, yung dry brushing technique. Okay, sa dry brushing technique, nag-apply tayo ng additional highlights, additional na weathering, and also na-emphasize yung sculpt details. Next, I'm using a finer brush para ma-paint natin yung logo ni Venom sa gitna. So I'm starting with the head, then the body, tapos yung mga legs ng logo. Alright, so ito na yung status ng action figure natin. So you have the logo on the front at the back, and also nag-add na rin ako ng mga white na sections sa hands. Pati sa base meron na ding logo design. Also, nag-apply na rin tayo ng white speckles using a sponge. Alright, next step, mag-add tayo ng fluorescent yellow and fluorescent orange para sa mga fluorescent parts ng base and also yung action figure natin. Salamat ulit Hero Paints, napakaganda ng mga fluorescent na paints. Sobrang reflective niya under blue lights. Yan, so after nun, nag-apply na rin ako na Bosni number 191 flat clear para maprotektahan yung paint job na ginawa natin dito sa hyper orange na Venom ZD Toys. Alright, so yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Papakita ko rin pala sa inyo yung reflective capability ng fluorescent paints in a few moments. Itong ZD Toys mga 9 inches tall to, kaya sobrang gusto kong ginagawang canvas siya for customizations. Yan, ito na yung mga fluorescent parts ng ating action figure. So meron sa box, sa blade, sa eyes, sa tongue, and sa body. So parang yan yung toxin niya. Okay? So yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye!